How to delete missed calls on AT&T Cordless phone. Let's get started. Most AT&T Cordless phones have a call log or caller ID feature that displays missed calls. On your phone's handset or base unit, there should be a button labeled Caller ID or Call Log. Press this button to access the list of missed calls. Once you are in the call log, you can use the navigation buttons on your phone to scroll through the list of missed calls. The specific buttons may vary depending on the model of your AT&T Cordless phone, but typically you will use the up and down arrows or a navigation pad. Scroll through the list of missed calls until you find the one you want to delete. Some phones may display a number next to each missed call entry which corresponds to a specific button on the keypad. Example 1 to delete, 2 to call back, etc. Once you have located the missed call you want to delete, place the appropriate button on your phone to delete it. This is usually indicated by a delete or clear button. On some models, you may need to press and hold the button for a few seconds to delete the entry. If you have multiple missed calls to delete, repeat the process for each one until you have cleared the call log. After you have deleted the missed calls you want to remove, you can exit the call log by pressing the appropriate button on your phone. This may be labeled as exit, back, or end. Keep in mind that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the model of your AT&T Cordless phone. By following these steps, you will be able to delete missed calls on AT&T Cordless phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.